Hi, my name's Alex. I'm a cello player. This is rosin. It's kind of expensive if you get the good stuff. What happens sometimes if you drop it is it'll break. Here's my $20 rosin that I dropped on the floor. You can see it's shattered. What am I gonna do? Well, one thing you can do is pick up all the pieces and put them in a cup. Like that. Then take the cup with the pieces in it, put it in the microwave. Now this goes pretty quick because the rosin heats up very fast. So as you can see, it's very hot and the pieces all melt. The next thing you need to do is build a new mold out of wood, something nice, similar to the ones that they sell at the store, but nicer. Then, once it's all melted, take it and very carefully pour it into the new mold. Just like that. Then, after it cools, which doesn't take very long at all, let's remove the mold wrapping. Ta-da! Beautiful, isn't it? So there you have it. My name's Alex. And that's how to fix something that you broke.